What's good, Franklin? This is Izzy with your boy Rome, and this is your first episode of Izzy and Roman in the studio. A lot of you out there like how I make hip hop. Quit asking, we made a video showing you.
Like, we got the grand piano right now. You know, I like to mess with the grand piano, but for this, we gonna get some hip hop kit going on because we making hip hop.
Piano, I don't know what that's for.
Yeah, some folk
Opera.
stuff. So I got the hip hop kit
Country.
right here. It's gonna take a while to load up. I got it. You click X. Oh, that's the shake of a hip hop kit right there. I like to mess with the tempo 155.
They ain't ready for that?
I'll push the count in right here. I'm gonna go with the loop. You know, get the little yellow going on. I like that. You got a hit right there, so we're gonna quantize the notes because you gotta be on hit. So you gotta put it to 1/8. We're gonna play it back.
For those of you who don't know what quantizing does, that's what it does.
We gonna go to synth leads, cause we finna lead y'all. We ain't finna follow nobody. Hey. Woo! That was hot right there. So we gonna quantize that too. So what you think this need? What you think this need?
He's like a
Let's step this game up like a cleat.
Woo!
We gotta hit it with some hi-hats.
Oh, we gonna hit it with some hi-hats. I like to get my hi-hats from the same track I get the kick and the clap from. So we can go to the hip-hop kit once again.
I say we get them hard though.
Okay, so we gonna quantize this too.
Then all you gotta do is think of a catchy hook.
I mean, what's the hook you think?
Y'all go hard, we go Rushmore.
The thing though about the hip hop thing is like you gotta add in the songs as you go. You gonna start off with something like this. Just start it off right.
Shout outs to my boys hustling out. HT4, HP9, I see you. Y'all go hard, we go Rushmore. Rushmore, Rushmore, we go Rushmore. Y'all go hard, we go Rushmore. Y'all go hard, we go Rushmore. Like if you ever heard Freebird by Elton John, you know what we're doing right now. Prince, get your cake up. Alright, so this has been episode 1 of In the Studio. Now I'm expecting to see a little something out there from y'all next time.
Yes, yes.
See, we did competition, and the more y'all be doing, the more we be handling.
We out, Franklin.
That's like that X-Men theme song. We'll catch y'all later. Back to the English.